I'm very speckledy. Don't think I like clean air.
Quit looking at me, weirdo.
Hey guys! It's that time!
And fun fact, we've got not one, not two, but 3!
Sephora is here, and I keep forgetting to subscribe to Sephora, but
Yeah.
it's fine. So if you missed our last video, you should go watch it. It was a little Q&A about where we've been and just some other details.
A lot going on.
And yeah, so that'll be linked somewhere. And if you're not subscribed, you should subscribe. Follow us. Comment below. Like this video.
Ring the bell.
Let's
get
get
the
this to 150,000 likes.
I know you guys can do it.
And we'll have all of our social media below, including the TikToks, because the TikToks is the happenings right now.
It's the
apparently.
happenings.
Oh, also, we do have a store, MadisonandMallory.com. Plug. We're wearing shirts from there. You should go shop it. We also have a Facebook group. All links below. Seriously, amazing, cute pieces at a steal of a deal. MadisonandMallory.com.
All right, if you don't know, these boxes and bags retail around the $13 mark because they've all gone up.
Going up in prices.
They have all gone up, including Sephora. I will try to have the actual prices of them when we talk about them, but I'm still getting Birchbox for free. Hashtag not sponsored. It
Hashtag
just keeps
don't know how it happened.
showing up under Stephanie's first name, my last name. The Strong. I definitely thought it said The Strange.
That would be not nice.
So,
Let's open it first.
let's just start with Birchbox. You guys, this used to be a $10 a month subscription, and now, I don't know why I put this over there, because like,
We have to pick it up.
who have to clean it up, but I love the glass sound that it makes when we throw it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I love it.
Kind of like this glass sound.
Yeah, and that one. Hey, all of my things came off. Like, it didn't
Mine
even
did too,
rip.
look.
Okay.
I mean, the first little part of it tried to, but it's good. It's a pull tab again.
It's a drawer!
I guess this is the new reality.
Good.
It's easier to prevent dry skin than fix it, so change your nighttime skincare routine if you want to wake up with dry... What? Wake up with dry skin. Oh.
I thought it said if you want to wake up with
I was like,
dry skin.
I don't want to wake up with dry skin, okay?
Okay.
Okay. It's small.
It feels little beefy.
Little
Okay, you go first.
All right, Malin and Goetz.
Go it.
Gertz, I don't know, a revitalizing eye gel.
Got it.
I love eye creams, eye gels. I actually haven't used an eye gel, really. I use mostly eye creams, so this will be interesting.
Apply a small amount under your eyes.
Parfum Clean Air. If I remember correctly, I do not like the scent. I like some of the clean fragrances, but I don't think I like clean air. I don't like polluted air, but I hate the pull ones. I always feel like I'm gonna... Oh no. At least it smells clean. It just smells clean.
Yeah,
Like-
clean air.
Like clean perfumey.
I don't mind that.
I don't hate it.
Yeah.
If I'm putting on perfume for the day, it's not my choice.
Yeah.
I would usually actually grab for these on days where I'm not going anywhere, where I just want to
Yeah.
smell clean.
Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm.
That freaks me out.
One of these, I think, broke me out, and I've heard people talk about this making them break out. But this gives you that shiny wet look, right? Is that?
What do you do with it?
You put it on your face.
For what though? Like for skincare
Smooth
or?
moisturizing primer melts into skin, leaving behind a brighter complexion and a glow that lasts all day. Apply as the last step of your skincare routine.
So it's a skincare thing, but also kind of like a primer.
Yeah.
I don't know. I haven't tried it, but I'll try it. I'll try anything once.
Okay. Okay, Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm. This is a repeat offender, but
That's like OG.
I'm
repeat
never,
offender.
yeah, I'm never that upset to get a good lip balm because it's something I don't really buy for myself. I just use whatever samples I get in my boxes and stuff. So like, I'm not so mad about it.
Lighting Crew, nourished with pineapple and green tea. It's a highlighting cream with light capturing micronized pearlescent pigments that give you a youthful and healthy glow. Highlighter lends a glow to the high points of your face when applied to targeted areas.
So,
All
like,
over
at
a
the
luminous
end of-
look when mixed with your foundation. It's interesting, but like, I
Or,
don't know how it opens.
or face cream. So you're
You
just
can
supposed
use
to
it all
mix
over. Well, you can use it all over, or you can put it on the high points. But I can't. Where's the opener?
Ah!
I'm trying to catch. I'm trying to.
Catch an edge.
Yes, because my nails won't let me, and I can't see the. I see the perforated a little bit.
Want me to do it? I don't like teeth being used to open things.
It's fine. I got. Ah!
Oh God! Did you squeeze it?
No, it just flew out.
Ugh. Put it on some of that cardboard. Actually, maybe I should use some. Here, let me try it a little bit. Just, what? Is it bad? Okay, give me more. Oh, I need Botox.
Oh, so do I. Oh.
I'm blending here. I don't don't like when you put it on and it like sticks in one spot and then you've got a stripe on your face. That's not cute. This one did better. This one not cute.
Not cute.
It's not moving around. Whatever.
I'm just gonna take this out of here.
Don't really think I like that product.
You heard it first, ladies and gents. That's our first impression.
Don't really like it.
All right, what you got?
Let's get naked.
I got that last time, I think. Is that a hair thing?
This is a frizz fighter. Use before your blow dry. Use before your blow dry. Is that right?
Use before you blow dry.
To create a breathable protective barrier against heat. Use frequently to help retain natural sheen and strength. Fights frizzy hair by sealing the ends. Enhances shine and promotes bounce. Quit looking at me, weirdo.
Like nobody knows that I'm looking at you.
She's looking in the mirror
I'm just like
and
this.
staring at me. Stop. It definitely says use before your blow dry. So I wonder if they're calling blow dry a noun. You know?
I think it's just not correct.
Whatever. Cool.
This is Pie, Chamomile, and Rosehip Calming Day Cream. It's a small sample for like a face cream because it says apply to skin on face and neck.
Yeah.
Not very much.
You know, I don't feel like it should get to the point where you've been with a subscription company to the point where like there's so many repeat items. That says to me you're pulling old stuff. Like get new, okay? This is the Punk Volumizer Mascara from Duce. We always say it wrong and I apologize. We've had mascaras from this brand. This may be a different one because Punk Volumizer is not familiar to me, but it's a mascara sample. Basically, only one of 2 makeup samples in there currently.
This is a repeat also, but it's brand new packaging. It's the Beauty Protector, Protect and Detangle.
I love that stuff. Oh,
you hear
it? Yeah.
This is the one that smells like pink sugar.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really goopy. It smells like pink sugar.
That's good stuff.
Yeah. I love getting these little things like this because I'll travel like next week or going to market.
Yeah.
Or this week. And I'll use this in my bag.
Okay, follow us on Instagram, Madison and Mallory, and 11thgorgeous for behind the scenes stories. Okay, this is the Oribe Signature Shampoo and Conditioner, a daily indulgence. I don't love getting foil packets, but here we are.
Here we are.
This doesn't feel like anything new.
Here we are.
You've increased the price of my box. The sample size feels identical to what it has in the past. Steph has a perfume sample. I have a foil packet. The only thing that was exciting was the fact that this pulled out like a drawer.
We're just a little womp-wompy today.
Yep. You know what? I'm gonna just say.
I'm not that impressed with this one.
No, we had, I don't know if we did December. I think we did. It was more impressive than that.
Yeah.
Is what it is. Let's do Ipsy.
Ooh, I like the bag already. A lot. Y'all, these come in handy. I carry a big tote bag, and I have been keeping medicine in one of these little bags and makeup in the other.
Yeah.
And I love these little bags. This is so cute.
All right, it's your turn. Go.
Let's go. Aromatica Tea Tree Balancing Foaming Cleanser. I am sadly, I'm just not a cleanser person. I will sometimes do things in the bath, but I'm so lazy. I'll do skincare in the bath, but I'm so lazy about getting my face wet. I just want to wipe my makeup off and put on moisturizer, and I'm probably leaving so much bad. I'm probably keeping so much bad stuff in my face, but here we are. And
here we are.
Hate to break it to you, but my skin's not broken out.
Speaking of exfoliating, I have this Sela Seed to Skin Scrub Natural Grain Polish. Seed to Skin sounds nasty. I'm not gonna lie. Seed to Skin. Natural Grain Polish. And the packaging was really pretty. It says finely milled kupausu. I don't know. Seeds gently and effectively exfoliate the skin, while Abyssinian oil and shea butter replenish moisture. Orange, cedarwood, and patchouli essential oils uplift, balance, and relax the senses. It seems like it would smell really good. I'll get down with some exfoliating in the shower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
I want to smell you.
Ew.
Speaking of, I don't think we are doing any makeup. I wish I had mentioned this on our Q&A, but I know some of you guys will say hey, what do you do with all your makeup or things you don't want or whatever? A lot of stuff goes to friends and family, and honestly, some of our employees here get some of our stuff too, but we also frequently do big giveaways for makeup, skincare, fun things over on our Madison and Mallory Instagram, so we get PR stuff from companies being on their lists and stuff, and we can't use it all, so we will kind of donate that to our Madison and Mallory giveaway.
But if you guys we might start doing PR unboxings again.
Yeah.
And then,
if we have extra stuff, we'll do fun giveaways.
Yeah.
But then beyond that, we've started posting some of our Madison and Mallory pieces to Poshmark that are either used in photo shoots or sample type stuff. Me and Stephanie sometimes put our own stuff on our Poshmark. So we'll leave that down below if you guys are interested.
Yeah, I got sticky on this nail. This nail's trying to lift up. Ugh.
Well, you might as well just wait till it's almost time to mark it before you put a fresh set
That's
on.
what I'm just planning on
That's what she's
doing.
gonna do.
Yeah. I just have to tell y'all
You up?
that press-on nails,
The Kiss Impress.
they last
specifically.
over a week on me.
And it's not glue, it's just a
It's
sticky
just sticky.
adhesive. And you
I
just
do
press it
have
on.
glue for backup in case I do something dumb and rip one off, but I rarely do that.
I mean, it's a lot to take them off at the end of it, even when
Yes.
you've had them on for a week.
Yes.
So it's not really like they come off.
No, I've had one or two
They
rip off.
stay better than the glue.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
They 100% stay better than the glue.
Yeah, 100%.
It's like I have fake nails all the time and I don't have to paint them. I never have to paint my nails again. Okay.
Oh gosh.
This is the Araceli, Joe's Perfectos liquid eyeliner.
Oh, Joe's.
I don't know. It's all kinds of different language. It's not my favorite applicator, but in a pinch.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a really dark
If you needed
black,
it. Yeah.
and it looks nice. And it's got like a flimsy tip, which I do like. It gives you kind of that feeling of a brush without
Yeah,
it
like
being a
flex
brush.
to it.
Yeah, I like the flex for sure, but
Yeah, it's
I
kinda
do
nice.
prefer a brush tip, but this is a pretty good one. It doesn't feel like it wants to close well, but it does. Oh, that's pretty nice.
All right, this says, oh, it's a lip balm. I'm gonna open you, Debbie. Okay, this is Brooke USA, but it also says
Ooh.
Beauty for Real. Y'all,
Really
I
on
just
my hand.
got an email
no.
about our housing reservation
For market.
for Margaret. I'm so excited.
This is all over my hand. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay.
I should have a makeup remover wipe in
So,
here.
this is just a lip balm. It smells minty. I love minty lip balms. Oh, it has like a picture of a horse on it. I'm excited about that. Like, and it's in the color Debbie.
That looks like something you would wear for sure.
I need to tell Kelsey she needs to name her dog Debbie.
Speaking of never painting my nails again, I got
Ooh,
nail
she
polish.
needs to name it Debbie Gibson. I'm about to
It's
give it to
context nail
Ipsy. They're
lacquer.
about to get it. You just
Ooh.
wait. That's gorgeous.
I love. It's called Ain't Love Strange.
I might borrow that.
I might say no.
No,
Just
you
kidding.
might.
That's real pretty.
Yeah, that's a good one.
I'm hyped about this
Same,
one. Okay.
Same.
That's cute. Never heard of this brand,
Cute.
but excited to try the nail polish.
Super excited. Okay, here it comes, Ipsy. You gave me 2 lip balms.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I
Why?
don't know. It says Urban Juve Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm with hemp oil.
That's so lazy.
Yeah.
That is worse than anything I think Birchbox has done.
Yeah.
2 lip balms.
I mean, again, though, I'm not going to be that upset about.
There's worse things you could have gotten 2 of, but
Yeah.
like still, when you're sampling stuff, why are you gonna give me 2 of the same thing basically?
Yeah, so it's just like a clear lip balm, no color. Why does it say open here? But like this pulls out really easily.
I don't know. Got this Ciate Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. Oh, you did too? Mm-hmm. What color did you get? Pinch
Date
me?
night?
Pinch me. So we got different colors. Ooh.
Ooh, that's
That is
interesting.
interesting. It's like a baked blush with like highlighty-ness
I can't.
in it.
I want to rip the box. What's in the box? I hate ripping boxes. I don't know why. Because I'm just going to throw it away, but I hate it. Ooh, look at Kaylin working. Yes. She was working it. Ooh, I love that on her.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. I'm really excited about our behind the scenes photo shoot
We
with
have a photo-
Madison and Mallory.
Oh, sorry.
Broken.
No, I didn't break it, but yours is really pretty. Yours is really pretty.
But it looks more of a highlight.
think
Yeah,
it's
it's
a
a
glowy-
highlight.
I think
Because this says illuminating blush. That's a highlight.
this is so chalky and bad. Hey, look, mine looks neon pink glow.
I think it's a highlight.
I would not put neon pink glow on my cheek.
What?
You wanna here? Put this on your cheek. Put this
Well, I
pinkness on
already
your
have
cheek.
this on here.
Exactly. That's
Put
terrible.
it on your highlight.
No, it's chalky. I don't like it.
She's angry. She's angry.
Mine's
Ipsy's coming through with some
pressed
trans-
mineral makeup from Purr.
Purr?
Purr. Pure.
Oh, no,
I wasn't
red
looking
battery.
at
We've
it.
got it.
Oh God.
Just fell out.
Oh God. Mine's mineral makeup and
man.
it's really light.
Okay.
Look how light. It's so light.
Mine's an eyeshadow. It's pretty, but it just fell out of the pan.
Mine's
Pan
just really
fell
light
out.
mineral makeup.
Okay, we gotta get that
Let's
was
go through
Ipsy. You or
Sephora.
whatever. No, do we have a cutter thing?
Oh no, no.
'Cause-
Do surgery. Ow. Don't stab yourself with a pen.
We have to finish.
Ah, we got it. We got it.
I'm telling you
Run.
guys, this box is like thin. Okay,
We'll go really fast on
go
this one.
really fast.
Okay, all right. Oh! Can I have this?
Yeah, 'cause I don't
okay,
use it.
cool. We got Kat Von Von D tattoo liner, and I actually have a sample from before from Sephora, and yes.
It's getting her through. Okay.
I love it.
We've got a Gimme Brow in Warm Golden Blonde, which I actually like this. It's number 2, so that's
I
a
use
good
number
travel.
3, I think, in that one.
That's a good travel Gimme Brow, so that's cool.
Okay, we have Glam Glow in Super Mud Clearing Treatment. This is good. You can travel with this and put this on your breakouts.
Yeah.
This is what I use on my breakouts.
Actually
if you didn't
have
know, mud is really good
The
for...
Formula 10.0.6 in a travel size that I like to keep with me.
This is good too, though.
Okay, this is Shiseido Waso Clear Mega Hydrating Cream. So, I mean, again, I like sample size moisturizers because I feel like sometimes I slack on that element of my skincare when I'm traveling. So, Waso Shiseido Clear Mega Hydrating Cream.
I really want to smell this one, so let's smell it. Victor and Rolf Magic Sage Spell.
I'm so excited. I feel like this is one that I've tried to sample and like...
I don't know if I've ever smelled it.
I haven't either, but I've tried to sample it and
So,
it's like
the Flower Bomb one, but different scent.
called Sage Spell.
Oh, gosh.
What I got on me.
No. No. That's herbally. That's not good. That's not good right here. That's not good.
It might turn into something good though.
Maybe.
It smells a little more
It's very
like
earthy, masculine.
cologne, yeah. But it's
Is it?
No, eau de parfum.
Ah, well.
So Victor and Rolf Magic
It is no
Sage
Flower
Spell.
Bomb, I will tell you that.
Okay, and then we have Smashbox, the original photo finish smooth and blur primer.
It's hard. Brand recognition.
Sephora sample
kills
size
it.
is garbage.
The sample size is absolute garbage.
Okay, on the count of 3, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3.
Draw.
Ipsy. Okay, but like Ipsy.
Draw.
Ipsy, I feel like it was all kind of a bad showing.
It's either bad sample sizes or bad
weird
brands or not enough variety in the types of products. I love the bag.
You love the
That's
eyeliner from Kat Von D. I'm excited about this scrub from Ipsy. So, all right,
I love the hair product from Birchbox.
We're gonna have links down below. We're fighting a dying battery. We're coming back, guys. Stick with us. We appreciate the support. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it with your friends. Tell us what you want to see because I want to get back to making videos.
Yes.
So leave that all down below.
And look below for all the links too.
Want to just leave us a comment saying, hey, tell us what's going on with your life. I'd love to
chat.
See what's going on with you guys.
All right, guys, don't forget to do all that. Links and everything will be below if you missed anything, and we'll talk to you guys in the video super soon.
We sure ding will. Bye, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, you can click the video on the right.
And if you missed our previous video, you can click the video on the left.
And if you still haven't subscribed, you can click the circular channel icon
And it'll sub you right up.